sound, I got that heat, let's go. That 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 sound, I got that heat, let's go.
Okay, folks, I did the speaker test this way because this isn't something that's like super professional, but I wanted to have some kind of meter so you could see the difference between the quality and how loud these speakers actually are. The advantages of dual stereo speakers. This speaker right here definitely has some nice high pitch to it, but the tones on the edge it's just so complete. Listening to them over video is going to be completely different than listening to them in person. So that's why I put some kind of meter. I just download this app, put it in the center of the phones so I could have some kind of measurement for you as a visualization. But for sure, the stereo speakers sound much better than the iPhone Air's single speaker. The single speaker is just lacking because it doesn't have that combination and balance that the stereo speakers have. They tried, but that's a huge miss on Apple's part with a single speaker on here. And there is your speaker test. Galaxy S25 Edge versus the iPhone Air in a speaker test. And the Galaxy S25 Edge takes it. See you in the next video.